Hello friends. Many of you may be at home, well most of you are probably at home unless you have a job that requires that you do it in the natural workplace, and it's quite difficult at home to make use of your wardrobe, to actually bother to dress up or wear things that you would when you are facing the world and being a functioning human being. So I'm going to give you some tips today just to show you how your wardrobe, your home pyjama wardrobe, might give you a little bit more oomph. So as you can see, I'm wearing some pretty regular fleecy pyjamas, as befits this time of year. Got a thermal underneath because it has been quite warm, but not really. So the first thing we're going to do is, most people have a dressing gown. I haven't got a dressing gown, but it's a kind of cardigan thing. But the thing with this is, it's the kind of cross, the way it crosses. So what we're going to do is, a V-neck's really good as well, to accentuate that cross and make it feel a little bit more like a costume. So what we're going to do is just sort of fold it like this, not too much because we want to still see a hint of the blue, and then we've got a bit of a sort of Jedi thing going on here, and then what I want you to do is find an actual, like a contrasting belt. So if you do have a dressing gown which has got a belt that's the same colour, a contrasting belt can actually give it a little bit more of a tool belt feeling, a little bit more, as well as accentuating the waist, which is very flattering for all body types. So I've got a snake belt, but you can use anything. You can use some string, or a scarf, whatever makes you feel good. And to top it off, here I have some long socks. So you might think, oh well, wear socks underneath my trousers. But if you want to both seal your feet off, and give your look a little bit more of a kind of battle boots, like a superhero vibe, I think also maybe this look is a little bit sort of Braveheart. That's what gave me the inspiration for this tutorial actually. My housemate the other morning saw me dressed like this, and I had my hair, it's wet by the way, I actually washed it, it's not just greasy from not bothering to shower, just saying. But yeah, if you've got long hair, you can kind of wear it curly, There we go, yeah. So that's it, have fun, and don't forget to pay attention to your appearance, because I think it's a fun way to, it's a fun thing to do.